Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making the irresistibly delicious and creamy kunafa with cream, a dessert that perfectly blends the crispy texture of golden vermicelli with the rich creaminess of its filling, all soaked in a fragrant sweet sugar syrup. I cannot wait to share this recipe, so let's dive right in. Start by taking 500 grams of kunafa dough or pھینی vermicelli in a mixing bowl. Cut the kunafa dough into small pieces, then add 1 cup of melted ghee and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Adjust according to your taste. Mix until the kunafa dough is well coated with ghee. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. Once the kunafa is well coated, take a round mold and grease it generously with ghee or butter. Place 2/3 of the kunafa dough into the mold. Press it flat and set it aside. In a separate pot, heat 1 cup of milk on low heat and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir, then add half cup of fresh cream and mix well. Next, add 2 tablespoons of Corn Starch and stir continuously until the mixture thickens. Once ready, pour the hot cream mixture over the kunafa dough in the mold. Spread it evenly. Add the remaining kunafa dough on the top of the cream layer. Spread it evenly and pressing firmly to flatten it. Place the mold in a preheated oven at 200 centigrade for 10 to 12 minutes or until the sides become golden. Keep an eye on it for the best results. Once the sides are golden, turn on the upper heating element to give the top a golden finish. Meanwhile, prepare the sugar syrup in a pot on a low heat. Combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar, stirring until the sugar dissolves completely. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then stir until the syrup thickens. Once the kunafa is baked, pour half of the sugar syrup over it. Before serving, add more sugar syrup as needed. And there you have it, the amazing kunafa with cream is ready to be enjoyed. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Happy cooking and see you next time.